Alright, here is the last part of snowplows, part C. This part only fits Emily. No other model engine will fit this part. So anyways, I'm still gonna make a listing or link for PayPal or Google My Business, where you can find or buy this part. This is the only part that fits Emily. No other engine, the ones I have, will fit with this snowplow. So as you can see right there, it's only for Emily, no other engine. This is the part C of the snowplows that you can find if you need it. This is the only part you are gonna find for this model engine, and if you want it, you can get it from Google my Google shop or my Google business via PayPal. Alright, thanks for watching. Over and out.